Hello all, welcome to PLC in Action YouTube channel. Today we will see the PLC clock bytes and system bytes. So we'll go to the PLC properties first. I just made one simulation PLC ready for this operation. Normally you will go to the PLC properties, then you can just click here, you will get the properties. Okay, in the properties you can see this. You see this system and clock memory. Okay, this is a system memory bits, the second one is a clock memory bits. Okay, it is a default, it will not enable the one, we have to enable if you want. Okay, first I will go to offline, then we can enable and we'll check it how we can use it. Okay, I've just enabled the system bytes. Okay, then I'm enabling the clock bytes. Okay, it's a default, it will take MB1 and MB0. It means memory byte M0.0 to 0.7 it will be a clock memory bits. M1.0 to 1.3 it's become your system bits. Okay, so if you want you can change it. If you want you can just add some 100, then it will become a 100.0 to 100.3. okay, but it's a default one. You can use it whatever, but it's a default. I've just left as it is, so it's become a same what is the default one, and we are using the same thing. Okay, then I can show you this one. Okay, the first scan. Okay, first scan means it means normally the PLC scan cycle, how we already know. Maybe in the first video I just tell you how we can. PLC will first read your input status, then it's execute your code, then write your outputs, right? It's a scan cycle. So first read the inputs, write your execute your code, write your output, then it's a loop again, right? The first, okay, while if you power off your CPU and power on again, right? If you power on again, the first after boot up, some logic will execute. Okay, you want to execute. Okay, that's we called first scan. Okay, the first scan means that's the first time after power up, the scan will work. That's only scan on first time. Okay, if you powered on, then it will not scan again. So it become only once for the after boot up. You want to want the scan one more time, then you have to power off the CPU and power on again. It means each time if you power off the power on the CPU, the first scan bit will get you on. It means it will be on for particular second, then it will be off. That's called first scan. Okay, if you want to execute some program in your logic or applications, right? Example, first power on the CPU, you want to enable some safety logic or some preparation something, so you can use this bit. Okay, just example, okay, every power startup you want to ensure something. Okay, just pop up something or ensure something, or just some kind of alarm something, alarm, trigger something, you can use this first scan bit. Okay, then the second one, it is not used for our internal program. The third one, fourth one, for we can use it for always true, always false. It means always true means this bit never be off, it will be always on, it will never go to 0. The second one, always 0, it will never go to 1. Okay, this is a system memory bits. Next we'll move on to clock memory bits. Clock memory bits start from M0.0 to M0.7. The clock bits means it's kind of a off on kind of it is always zeros and ones kind of thing. Okay, then what is the frequency of the thing? That is the thing, 10 hertz clock, it means 100 millisecond, 200 millisecond, that kind of thing. It is 1 hertz, right? This is the 1 second one. Okay, if you want to use example, every each 1 second you want to some flickering kind of stuff. Example, normally what we will use it, we will use for the tower lamp. Okay, example, you want to some kind of alarm or something, whatever, okay, you want to flick kind of thing, then you can use it to 1/8 clock bits M0.5. Okay, then that output always will glow 0 1 0 1 0 1, means 1 second on, 1 second off. That kind of always it will be like that. Okay, we'll see as a practically we can check. Okay, I will download this one, then I can show you. Okay, I just made add some networks. Okay, now first we will check the first scan bit. Okay, so as I said, okay, now M 1.0. If you enter, sorry, you can just type the name first scan. Okay, maybe I was using this number already, that's why it was showing this ambiguous address. Yeah, you see, it always I was using some other stuff, that's why it was showing. Okay, normally we will not use this bit normally. Okay, this is the standard one. Okay, so we are using M 1.0. Okay, just I will make for testing something. I will use 1 dB. In the GB, I will just use Boolean test. Okay. So just made some booleans. Okay, yeah. Okay, now I just made one small logic. Whenever the first scan bit trigger, we have to set the one boolean bit. Okay, it means normally it will not. We don't write any logic for the first scan. Okay, means the it automatically it will become one whenever the power is on, right? That's why I explained. Let's check practically how it's work. Okay, okay, we'll go online. You see, there is a it is the bit is not set. This also not. Okay, what we can do, we will do online. Then now I'm going to show you kind of simulation. It means how to power on, power off, right? Normally we can't power on, power off. Means we can't see here. So what I'm doing, I will stop the PLC and start again. It means it's kind of a power off. For the PLC, whenever it's go to stop and it will stop to run mode, it's considered as a one power up. Okay. So I'm just click the stop now. You see the PLC in stop mode. Okay, if I put run, okay, you see there is a 1 second pulse, you get it, right? It means the first scan bit will operate. It said this one. It may be whatever, you can use it in our program. Is it possible to use this first scan to trigger the some first operation of your startup? Okay, that is the logic you can use it in your application, whatever the thing. Okay, this is for the first one bit, right? Then we'll go for next clock bytes, right? Yeah, I said yeah, we can see here. I just made some bytes existing for testing. I will delete this. Okay. You can see this is our clock bytes. Start from M0.0 to M0.7. Okay. You can see it is keep on fluctuating. Okay. The frequency depends on the number of the bit we can choose. This is for the 100 millisecond. You can see this is 1 second pulse. So we can try something so you can easily understand. Wait. Delete this. It's not a big thing, but as a beginner, if it will be a good for you to learn this, you can use it in your program, or if somebody use in their program, you can easily identify, oh, this is the clock bytes, this is the system byte they have used. So that's why it is a little bit okay to learn this kind of stuff. Let's take more time to download. Yes, it will go online now. You see this? This is a 1 second pulse. You can check this output now. You see, so this also you consider like it's you used as a some tower lamp, so it will always zero sound blinking. So that kind of thing you can use it based on your recommendation. Means whatever your requirement, you can use this. Whatever the kind of frequency, you can use it. You want a 2 second pulse, you want a 100 millisecond one, you can use it. So this is the two things we learned today. One is system memory bytes, this is clock memory bytes. I hope it will be useful for someone. Thank you. Maybe see you in next video. Thank you guys. Bye.